Hello, in this video we show you how to do an oil service reset on Peugeot 307. So first we put the key in the ignition and we press the reset button on the right side. And after we press the reset button, we turn the ignition on and wait for the counter to count from 10 to 0. Then we can release the reset button and we can turn the ignition off, and that's how the oil service reset is done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Give the video a thumbs up. Thank you.